Hey, yo, what's happening, Bold Moose fam? I'm back in the building with another food review or snack review, whichever one to call it. Stay tuned. All right, Bold Moose fam. I just went and checked out one of these guys right here. It's called a Blizzard. Now, I don't know if too many of y'all know about Dairy Queen, but Dairy Queen got your ice cream with the thickness of like a milkshake, or I don't know, something like that. But man, I'm about to dive in on this joint right now. Stay tuned. Yo, I mean, look, got the cookie dough with the caramel, and look at the Oreo guy right here. Look at that. Where you going? Oh yeah. Got the cookie dough guy. Look at that. Little bang bang. Now, family, before I dive in on this joint, you know how I do it. Alkaline up. Alkaline up. 9.5, get it right. Alkaline up. Yee! Yee! Hey. Straight up, my team just got their ass smashed by the Chicago Bears today. Man, I had to get something to cool me down. So, y'all can have the first bite. First bite delight, a little bit of everything in that joint. Like I said, the Oreo, cookie dough, and the caramel, you get a little bit of all that. You see how it ain't moving? That's Blizzard. It's thick. Yo, peep that shit. Thick. Now, Dairy Queen got so many different flavors. So if this ain't your thing, you want something different, you can get something different. I want some cookies though, so cookie dough it is. Yo, caramel though. Look at that bite right there. Yes, sir. You see the caramel? I know y'all see the little line right there. Ain't moving yet. Look. Now it's about to drop. Look. Boop. Yo. I ain't gonna stump. $6. I personally ain't gonna finish this shit. But good though. They have these in like malls in California. We had an actual restaurant or the fast food joint, but they actually got like burgers, fries, chicken sandwiches, chicken tenders, all that stuff. But this right here is a banger. Banger. Yo, I ain't gonna stop. I ain't gon' front. This is the shit. The shit. Oh yeah. Got me singing. I was in a fucked up mood till I got some of you. And now you taste so good on my tongue. Tummy saying yummy. Yum yum. All right. Yo. Alkaline up. Alkaline up. 9.5, get it right. Alkaline up. Yee. Man, hydrate your life. I do my scale 1 to 10, 1 being trash, 10 being the best. This guy right here, no doubt, a 10 banger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 banger. 10. Now, it being Vlogtober, Hertober, Matober, October, we dropping videos every day. Even little brief ones like this, something slight. So, please, if this is your first time to make it your last time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share these videos. Because without you guys, we wouldn't be doing this. All right? Shout out to all y'all, man. And my man Method Man say, we keep it moving. We keep it moving.
We keep it moving. We keep it moving.
Oh, how you so tasty. Ooh. You so good. They should put this on the menu. I'm stopping.